The next question that we have to answer is, what is learning? So if we look at the definition of learning, then learning is the process of acquiring new knowledge, skills, understanding behavior, values, attitudes, and preferences. So this is a self-explanatory sentence. And then learning is the change that occurs due to knowledge, practice, or experience. For example, the child goes to school, then the child learns about money in the school. So the child is acquiring some knowledge. Then the child goes to a market and tries to use the money that has been given to him by his parents. So that is practice. And when the child uses that money in a shop to buy some articles, then the child is getting the experience of using that money. Therefore, learning is the change that is happening due to this knowledge, practice, and experience. And learning can be intentional, formal, and controlled. That is, when a child goes to school, it is intentional because the child wants to get knowledge. And it is in a formal atmosphere, and it is controlled because you know what the child is going to learn. Whereas learning can be unintentional, informal, or uncontrolled as well, because when the child is interacting with people in a random manner, right? When the child is going out to play, the child will interact with different people, different friends. So the child will learn about different things. So the child might learn things which were not intended as well. So it might be unintentional learning. And all these unintentional interactions can be happening in an informal setting. That is, the child is not in school, so it is not formal. It is informal because it can happen in a playground, it can happen in a friend's house, and it can be uncontrolled because what the child is learning here cannot be controlled by the parents or the teachers. Therefore, these are the two main types of learning that will happen. That is intentional, formal and controlled, or unintentional, informal and uncontrolled. Now that we have seen the meaning of growth, development, and learning, if you look at what is the connection between these three concepts, we see that development consists of both growth, which is the physical attributes which can be measured, and also learning, which are the qualitative or the mental attributes. Therefore, development includes both growth and learning.